fans of Kit Kat have a lot to look forward to in 2022. While the brand is known for regularly coming out with new, interesting products. In a recent press release, Hershey announced that 2 new flavors in 2 different styles of the shareable candy bar will be added to the permanent list of available Kit Kat's options this year. The first is a new Kit Kat Duos flavor, which is actually the first of the line to include a fruit-based pairing, and the second new product is a Kit Kat Thins flavor. Past Kit Kat Duos flavors have been based on classic chocolate pairings, such as mocha and mint. The newest combo is no different, via Hershey. Just in time for Valentine's Day, the new Kit Kat Duos flavor is a spin on chocolate-covered strawberries. The thinner and crispier Kit Kat Thins launched just last year, according to Candy Industry, and fans should definitely be excited. The brand is already adding a new, nutty flavor, hazelnut. This is where you can find the 2 new Kit Kat flavors. According to the press release, the strawberry and dark chocolate Kit Kat Duos flavor will be available in regular-sized and king-sized candy bars, while the new chocolate hazelnut Kit Kat Thins will be sold as individually wrapped mini candy bars in 3.1-ounce and 7.37-ounce bags. While the prices for each size have not been released, customers can likely expect them to reflect similar prices to those of other Kit Kat Duos and Kit Kat Thins already on shelves. The best part of this announcement just might be that these new flavors should not be too difficult to get your hands on. Both are already available to buy from retailers where Kit Kats are sold nationwide.